Welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainment's spa setup on a budget. Do a spa on a budget. Okay, people. I know it's pretty dark, but it's the star mentality. Okay, so here's my spa. In the middle, I got my little candles and my rocks, and I got the girls' glasses. Over there, I got the wine and a little candy dish. There's a couple of footies over here. There is the soap stuff over there, and feet mask, face mask, foot mask, and the oil lamp. Okay, if you hear a little wind in the back, that's the fan where everybody's gonna sit. And there is the rock salt lamp. There is the air diffuser, and there is the pineapple, and there's the speaker, and I have an incense. The room smells like vanilla and pineapple. Okay, it's on. Bottle of wine a friend brought over. Flirty, bird, never had it. And there's the snack and everything. And the spa's on.